myself in this, bro. Shit looks nice as hell. Got the Subi right there.
I need to get new springs.
New springs?
Like coil, like no coil spring.
Alright, we're gonna get a co-star of the Subi before we do the exhaust change real quick. Yeah, as you can see, very underwhelming. Quiet. Crazy. Let's see. More. Turn it more. There you go. Almost. You're good right there. This should look mean.
El Yonke.
Alright. This is my new 2017 WRX. Got rid of the edge. Now I have this beauty. Look at this. Oh my god. It's a little dirty. You know. But it's okay. So like I said, we're throwing on an exhaust on this. Because this stock boy over here, nah, I don't hear nothing. I want to be loud. Not even going to be too loud with that, but it'll be loud enough. So this is my 2017 WRX with 130,000 miles. I picked it up last Tuesday. Yeah, it was one of your wheels was up. Picked this up last Tuesday for 5,800. So the miles don't really concern me. It's a clean title, no accidents, and completely bone stock. Let's see.
Not until I straight piper.
Yeah. No, yeah, straight up stock, everything. Exhaust, nothing's been touched. OEM filter. But yeah, it's been treating me good for the past week. No problems that I've seen. The interior is pretty nice. It has the iDoing head unit. It's a manual, obviously. Steering wheel's a little bit messed up. I can always switch it out for a carbon fiber one. All weather mats. My son's been making a mess back here. But other than that, very clean. Paint's good. A little bit of fading on the ducktail. This little thing right here, whatever this is. One of the worst parts about it is this little part right here. Let's see. Can you focus? Can't really get it focused. Okay, there you go. Yeah, this is the only problem with the whole car that I'm not really happy with. But I'm gonna get it repainted. This is the original bumper that came on the car. This is the extra bumper the old owner gave me, the previous owner. It's a 2018 up bumper. Honestly, it makes it look a whole lot better. Check that out. Hell yeah. But we got the Invidia exhaust right here, ready to go. Gonna start unbolting it, jack it up, and get it going. Alright, the big boys are out. Now we gotta do the rest. Well, I'm gonna hook these up first. Actually, Yeah, I'm gonna take off that first, the white pipe. Yeah, okay. Also, one thing that I forgot to mention, if you guys have the stock J pipe, you're gonna need this adapter or else it's not gonna sit right. So just heads up, at least for the R400. All right, stock exhaust is all out, mufflers are right there. Invidia tips are already hung, and I'm about to hang this up and bolt everything back up. Not hard, not hard. Just could help to have an extra set of hands, but overall not bad.
Ready?
Yeah. Still a little quiet, but it's still good. I like it. What do you think about it, Mr. Tome? Too quiet for you, huh? Start your Z up real quick. Show me what a real exhaust sounds like then. He just washed it up. Gotta wash mine too. What is it that you're running on the car again?
Test pipes, white pipe, and cat pipe.
Yeah, sounds nice. Damn.
Let me show that fender though.
I'm gonna pull it down, and then I'm gonna take it on the test drive. All right, I got the 360 mounted up with the mics. I'm gonna go give it a lap around the street, see how it sounds. Let's go. Well, overall, I like it. It's nice, better than the stock sound. I will be getting a J pipe later in the future though, so this will be louder. But for the time being, it's fine. I like it. But if you guys like the video, like and subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one.